Hello friends, I'm glad to have you here. Today I will be making 3 different flavors of healthy banana ice cream with you using very simple and easy steps. I have on the screen some fresh bananas, frozen banana, frozen raspberries, and frozen strawberries. I also have on the screen Milo, honey, and vanilla extract. Let's begin. I will begin by showing you how I get my bananas ready for freezing. First, I peel the banana and slice them. After slicing them, I put them in this freeze bag and freeze for 2 to 3 hours. I have here some frozen bananas and some frozen raspberries. Without wasting further time, let's make some ice cream. I have here the blender. I will add in the frozen bananas, frozen raspberries, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, just a little honey to add taste to it. Blend all together. If it is difficult to blend, you can add just a little of water to it. Time to blend it. Now our banana raspberry ice cream is ready. Let's check it out. This is ready. You can dig in right away. But if you want it to be a little hard, you can freeze it for an hour just to get the icy texture. But right now it's good. It's still good to eat. So delicious. I will put it in a bowl and freeze so we can move on to the next ice cream. Let's look at that. Put this in the freezer to 1 hour. Stay tuned for more. On our next flavor, we will be using frozen bananas and Milo to make banana Milo ice cream. This is the Milo. I will be using a tablespoon of that. I'll add in a tablespoonful of the Milo. Milo is very sweet, so I won't add in any honey. I will just blend it like that. It is hard, so I will add in about a tablespoon of water to blend. It's ready, but I don't like the color. I want the color to be a little more brown, so I will add in 1 more tablespoon of the Milo. So that is our Milo banana ice cream. You can see it's already ready to be eaten. But if you want it more harder, you can freeze for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So that is exactly what I will be doing now. I have here my bowl. I will scoop it. Oh my god, it's ready to be eaten. You don't even need to freeze it, and it tastes amazing. Just look at it. Just look at it. So I'll cover it and freeze for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Least ice cream is strawberry banana ice cream. So I will put in the frozen bananas. Add in the frozen strawberries. Teaspoon of honey to your taste. You can skip also because the banana is very sweet. The strawberry too is sweet. When it's hard to blend, you can just add in about a tablespoonful of water. This is so beautiful. Okay, so our strawberry banana ice cream is ready as well. Just look at it. You can dig in right away. You don't need to freeze, but I will still freeze for a while. So good. I bet you don't need to freeze this. I'll put it here and put in the freezer. This time I'll cover it and put in the freezer for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until it sets. After 2 to 3 hours in the freezer, the 3 different flavors banana ice cream has settled to my satisfaction. Now time for me to dig in. First, let me show you. This is my strawberry banana ice cream or banana strawberry ice cream. And next we have here this is the banana raspberry. Banana raspberry ice cream. Finally, I have here the banana Milo ice cream. Time to dig in. Thank you for making the 3 different flavors banana ice cream with me today. They are nutritious, they are delicious, and sugar-free. Until I see you again, bye.